In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct effective webinars with Gotowebinar in 2026. To get started, head over to Gotowebinar and sign into your account using your organizer login. Once you're inside, the first thing you'll want to do is schedule your webinar. Click on Schedule a Webinar, then enter your webinar title and description. Make sure the title is clear and specific, and use the description to explain what attendees will learn. Next, choose the webinar type that best fits your event, whether that's live, series, or simulated live. Then set the date, time, duration, and time zone carefully, and click Schedule to confirm everything. After that, customize your registration page so it looks polished and professional. You can upload your company logo, add a banner image, and write a compelling webinar description that encourages signups. You'll also want to include presenter information so people know who will be speaking. If needed, customize the registration questions to collect the details that matter most for your event. Once your page is ready, start inviting attendees, share the registration link through email, promote it on social media, and add it to your website or landing page. It's also a good idea to schedule reminder emails, since those can make a big difference in boosting attendance. Next, prepare your presentation. Focus on creating engaging slides with clear headings, helpful visuals or charts, and minimal text so your audience can follow along easily. If relevant, include demonstrations and make sure you end with call to action slides that guide attendees on what to do next. Before the event, take a few minutes to configure your webinar settings. Enable recording so the session can be viewed later, add any co-organizers or panelists, create polls and surveys, upload handouts or PDFs, and turn on Q&A if it fits your format. Now it's time to test your equipment. Run a practice session to check your microphone, webcam, screen sharing, internet connection, and overall audio quality. A wired internet connection is recommended because it usually provides a more stable broadcast. On the day of the webinar, join 15 to 30 minutes early. This gives you time to welcome panelists, check audio and video, test screen sharing, and fix any technical issues before attendees arrive. During the webinar, keep your audience engaged by asking questions, running live polls, encouraging Q&A, sharing downloadable handouts, and demonstrating products or services when appropriate. Speak clearly and keep a steady pace so everyone can follow along. Make sure the webinar is being recorded for anyone who can't attend live. As you wrap up, summarize the key takeaways, answer any remaining questions, share useful resources, invite attendees to contact you, and encourage them to register for future webinars. Finally, within 24 hours, send a thank you email, share the recording, provide your slides or handouts, request feedback through a survey, and review attendance and engagement reports so you can improve your future webinars.